second. Just wait for a couple of seconds and let's see. Online team, you can hear me, or any voice break and all those things is fine. Okay, yeah. Okay, so just calm down, guys. Let's start today's sessions. All right. So the first thing is, let me share the screen. See, guys. Oh, just bear with me. Naresh. Still people are kind of coming. Just one moment. Okay, so I wanted to talk about one student, okay, from 7:30 p.m. batch, guys, okay. So we done that batch just a month ago, just 1 month ago, all right. So his name is Avinash, all right. So why I'm talking about, let me tell you. So he was mechanical student, and he has zero knowledge about coding and software. Understand, guys, zero knowledge about coding and software. So after complete the batch, he attend 3 interview. How many interview attend? Just 3. First interview, he clear first round. Okay. Second round, he not clear. Second interview, he got a job from Indore. He will share the offer letter very soon. Okay, as a data scientist. Third interview, and he got package. He have 7 years career gap. How many years career gap? 7 years career gap. I just told him to check with someone. I just had discussions with him. I just talked this guys. All right. And third interview, he is attending now, and he got the package of 8 LPA. How much, guys? 8 LPA. And third interview, I told him to ask for 10 LPA, and he's visiting for Trivandrum. So why I'm talk about all those things in the sessions? Just let me show you. Just 1 second, guys. Yeah. So did you see this? Congratulations, Avinash, to become a data scientist. Share the offer letter, resume, your pick, and questions which they asked you in your interview, so that if he shared, I will show with you. Okay. And another one. So he already got the offer while he was in train, and he attending third round. I asked him best of luck for third round. I'm sure you get another offer, and ask them for 10 LPA, and you would be more confident by now. Clear? So he mentions me, I will send you, sir. Just give me some time. I will send tonight or tomorrow. No problem. So just reached LAP, and he attending the interview, guys. Understand or not? So I mean, how exactly, how many of the mechanical we have here in this batch? How many of them are mechanical? Online team, anybody from mechanical, guys? Azad? So now when this guy got a job offer, why not you? So I told him to please meet me. I available on Arish IT. You can meet me. So he said, whenever free, I just meet up. So I just talk about this, guys. So when the student who had zero knowledge on data science, zero knowledge on coding, zero knowledge on everything, but now in the 4 months of journey, he cracked it. He was quite not sure about whether he get it or not. And this is the proof. Am I telling you lie, guys? Am I telling you lie, everyone? So I called him. If you've been around, just come back for 10:30. So I just wanted to introduce to you guys as well. So, but unfortunately, it's a PM, not AM. All right. So that's okay. He's not a big guy, just to motivate you guys. Very simple. Okay. Now let's get back to the topic. Online team, are you understand or not? Let's see, guys, this batch, how many of them get a job offer, and you show me so that I can motivate to my other batch students as well. So who you want? Sumit, what about you? Yeah, expect from few of the students, I can know them who are getting study well or not. Let's discuss that in later part of the sessions, okay? And I think every week I spend 30 minutes time you at least once to discuss, to one-on-one discuss, to for your gap, for how to improve your all those things like coding skills and all those things, guys. Can we do it from next week onwards? In a week, just 30 minutes, maybe one or two students, yeah? Technical and practical, and how to make some of the resumes and how to introduce and what kind of project explanations, all those things we're going to discuss. Clear? We do it? Yes, guys? Online team for you as well. No need to worry. Yeah. I already shared the numbers online team. Just ping me. And once I get it free, I just discuss with you all the thing. Clear? Okay. Now let's get back to the work. Let's get back to the topic. So I think Sumit, you sent EDA. You completed? Just one moment. Let's check. Okay. Step 1. Univariate. But what are you trying to figure out here? No, where is the insights? You mentioned the insights or not? You have to mention the insights. I will show you how the students are prepared. All right, this one. Just one moment. Yeah, just 1 second. The basic you completed. It's not completed yet. Okay, okay. Good, good, good. So it's continued, to be continued. Okay. So see guys, how exactly students are analyzing and deleting unnecessary. This only you will speak with in front of interviews. So they will find out how genuine you are. Okay. So this is what, so almost, again, these are non-technical students. They study so well, guys. I love it, trust me. So this is what the clients, I mean, suggestions. Banks should be proper background verifications on several aspects like house type, income, family. These are the key points they decide. 90% of the previously canceled client have actually repaid the loan. Record the reason for the cancellations, which might help the bank to determine the negotiate terms with these repaying customers for futures. So this is all insights, and this is the end goal you need to talk in front of the interviews, guys. Clear all of them? Online team, are you clear or not? So please, if you're not worked, so please work on these things, and let's discuss one by one. Let's post the one who complete. Good job, Sumit. Just half part is done. Okay, just complete rest of things, and a little bit be add on some of the insights over there. Okay, yeah. All right, so let's see the SQL part. So SQL, everybody is download the software applications, and are you guys got some errors and all those things? Yes, Chandrahash, you can answer. You can post your questions. I will review that, or else I'll give it discuss with you after the class. Okay, Chandrahash? Yeah, we will discuss after that. Yes, I got it. Okay, nice. So let's see, we understand what exactly mean by data type. What is meant by server? What is meant by server, guys? Collections of databases. What is meant by database? Collections of schema. What is meant by schema? Collections of tables. In tables, what attributes we have? Data types. Okay, what are the data types we had? Char, varchar, and all those things, correct? Yeah, just one moment. And the business, what we understand is what, guys? That one, we need to predict the vehicles coupon classifications, isn't it? Yes or not, guys? The vehicles coupon classifications, correct? Now let's see this. Yeah. Okay, see guys, this batch, online 49 students, offline 45 students, all right? So at least I'm expecting for minimum 4 offers from this batch. And I definitely help them if you go up to limit. Every day you complete 3 to 4 hours and complete the task. I come back to you. I will be back on you till lifetime. What I'm saying? Till lifetime. See guys, you get a job. After get a job also you required my help. Understand or not? Because get a job is not important. How to deal with the job is important. How to deal with the project is important. Agree or not? So that's why I gave the number. So try to maintain a good relationship with me so that we can see the future things as well. All right. So let's talk about this one. Just one moment. It is still opening. Today also the net is right. Okay. So the first one, we download the DB. The second one, we install the software. The third one, we know the data set. This is a classifications problem statement. Yeah, this is a classifications problem statement. Now let's see. So share PPT for reference. Why, Washim? I'm not gonna share. You have to prepare the PPT. You can't be. I just want what you're thinking, and you make the PPT for that. If you share, I will share to others. If you done very well, I will share to others. Understand, Washim? I can't share any PPT, guys. Those PPT you have to create. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm explaining the issue. Just one moment. So let's see this. The first one. Okay, so let's see. I hope everybody got the SQLite over here. I think someone had issues. I think someone asked me yesterday. If you see this, you have tables, you have data set one, and you have column informations. Yes. In the column, let's scroll down. You have keys not required, foreign keys, indexes, and table to join, table to unions, okay, and views, all those things we have, isn't it? So how many of doesn't know SQL? Then I thought to take at least 2 days or 1 day for SQL from basic to at least. Can we do it, guys? At least for, I'll tell you to SSMS SQL Server Management Studio, and let me explain for 1 hour and 2 days, like how to import, extract. Can we do it, guys? At least 1 day so that it could be refresh all those things again. Yeah. All right. So let's see this. The first one, scroll down, basic querying. What exactly mean? But let's start the query first. Here opens SQL script, isn't it? So once you open this one, how to obtain the data? How to obtain the data means the data set. I know the business. I know the business. Business attributes. Business attributes. If I understanding business attributes, if I understanding, then I know the data set and I know the business use case, right? So the first one, what is the database name? Dataset one. See this? Dataset one, isn't it, guys? So the database is SQLtest.db, and this is schema, and I'm gonna do select star from dataset one. Let's copy this one, and what I'm gonna do, select star from dataset one, and execute this one. Is it hang? Or it's worked? I will tell you, Rihan, just wait. I will tell you, just wait. All right. Now, I hope you got the data set, guys. Complete informations. Is it a raw data or clean data? Is it a raw data or clean data? This is a clean data. No. This is for not this one, guys. So this is for execute. Okay, let's close this part. And one moment. Let's run it. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Clear? Sinduri, this is not clean data. This is raw data because we We write the query to extract the data from the database. The database name is SQLite. All right. Now the next one, let's go. Sound not clear? Now guys, Azad clear. Now check your net connections. Voice breaking. Okay. Because of internet, it seems. Okay. Just let me know once the voice is breaking. I will get back to you. Okay. Select star. Star means what, guys? All, right? Select star means all from data set one. Not a big, yeah, not a big thing. Now the next one, did you see? This is the options to run the query. I mean, this link is designed for a non-technical students, guys. This link designed for a non-technical students. In the above statements, you have a couple of parts. Select star means this is the command. Okay, this is the command. From this tells the database where to pull data from. It tells, right, guys? Data set one, this is the table you are pulling the data from. From the database, data set one is the table name, and this comma, the semicolon at the end is how you end a SQL statement. Some database require it, others don't. So I recommend always using only one. Got it? So can you tell me, select weather temperature from data set one. So what I should get output, guys, over here? Select weather temperature from what I should get. What's your name? I'm sorry. Satyajit. Okay. What I should get, Satyajit? Okay, so I will get the display. I will get the table only. Let's do this. Select weather temperature from data set one. Correct? Understand or not? Let's run this one. See this? Weather, temperature, and all the details. Clear or not, guys? Yeah? All the informations. Now let's. Yes, it's a case sensitive. It's a case sensitive. Now let's talk about limit and other functions. See this, guys. All these are querying part, select statements, and this one like limit. Let's talk about limit. Limit can be in Python, can be used to limit the amount of data that is pulled into a query. Very useful when first exploring the data. In SQL, we used limit functions to explode the data. But in Python, which functions we do? Which functions, guys? Dot head, isn't it? Which functions we're going to do? So let's see this. Select a data set, select star from data set one, limit 10. So what I should get, guys? Limit 10 in the sense. Online team, up to 10 row. Excellent. Up to 10 row. Let's see this. Run it. See, guys, if I say 5 up to 5 rows, isn't it? So now why are we learning SQL? Is it necessary? Yes, it is necessary. I will tell you right now. Just do this. I hope you understand what exactly I mean by limit functions. Yes or not, guys? This is called querying. This is called you need to query in the software. Right, now let's go back to the next. Distinct gets the unique values from a column. What exactly I'm saying? Distinct means get the unique values from a column. Now the guys who never saw SQL before, is it a tough or a little bit easy? Yeah, I hope you guys understand, isn't it? So let's say get the unique value from a column means, let's say in this data sets, we have many attributes, right? So let's say select distinct passenger. So let's go back to here. So we have passenger. What are the passengers? Let's do it again. Select from entire data set one. Let's rerun. I mean, if you talk about alone, we have friends, kids, okay, and a lot of things we have. Let's see this. Now to do this, select distinct passenger from data set one. From data set one. So select distinct passenger. I'm sorry, where is that? Let me do this. The good part is you cannot open a multiple, script for this one page. You can run multiple lines. All right. So let's run this. Are you understand or not? What exactly mean by guys? Passengers, you have only unique values. In Python, which functions we doing this, guys? Anyone? In Python? No. Which one, guys? Unique again. Same unique only. Yeah, for excellent, Arshad. Unique only, right? Abhishek, that's correct. So passengers dot unique only. So if I wanted to see select star from dataset one run instead of passengers, if I say weather, WATHER, okay. Now let's do this. Sunny, rainy, snowing. Are you understand or not? Now someone asks, is it case sensitive? Let's check it out. Is it a case sensitive? Can I get error? Let's do this. I don't think so. I got an error, guys. Did you see? WATS. There is no error I occurred. Understand? So let's say this. No, there is no error. Okay. Let's keep it the same. All right. Now let's talk about select star from data set one limit 5. Limit 5 means what I should get? Top 5 row again. Top 5 rows again. I know, guys, the one who completed NoSQLs, for them it's easy. Just calm down. Just give them some time to understand for others as well. All right. Okay. Now where clause. Okay. So where clause. So let's see, select star from data set one means what exactly this row indicates? Entire data set, right? Select star from data set one, it indicates entire data set where destination equals to home. Where destination equals to home means the result is showing up here. Destinations, home, passengers, weather, temperature, time, coupons. So only home attributes will be displayed, isn't it? So let's see. Home. Let's run this one. I think just 1 second. Yeah. Same values. Well, let's try once this one. Okay. And now run it. Okay, guys. You get only home destinations part you're going to get, guys. Clear or not? Okay. So this is called where clause. Just see this order by. Now, guys, one. So let me tell you, if you never learned before, yeah. So if you never knows before, please work one by one, step by. Can we do it, guys? Can I already? I shared this one. I think so. I hope. Yeah. So I hope you guys are working. Yes or not? I hope you guys are working on this one. Please work on this one and complete. Now the next part is order by. What exactly mean by order by? Select star from data set one, order by coupons. So order by coupons means how many coupons? Only it's a filtering. What exactly mean by order by, guys? It'll give a filter. Only give you the filter informations. In Python, we called as a filter informations. Understand or not? So let's see this. Let's copy this part and so run it, and you can run it anywhere. It's not mandatory. So let's execute. Coupon, understand or not? Yes, guys. So this is filtering type of work it will do. Now, same way, see, I wanted to change aliasing because, so let's see the select destinations as a destinations from data set one. So what exactly it will give, guys? Anybody? It will, wait, let's wait for everyone. Capital D, right? So where is my destinations I have here? Destinations. Did you see the alias means what? I mean, names, guys, some shortcut names. Your parents called you at some Pintu, Chintu, Rintu, yes, but your school names is different, isn't it? Understand or not? It's a nickname. So let's talk about this one. Got it, guys? Now the D has been changed to capital D. Now let me ask you, I hope I don't talk about this one, guys. Maybe if time allows, I will talk about SQL from SQL Server Management Studio. I hope I will tell you how to install, and I will start from basic. Yeah, just a little bit, sometimes maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes and all those things. So the same way, please complete what is average. If you don't know, just go and find out. Let's ask to Google and try to figure out, okay, why it is very simple. Are you understanding or not? You are not a kindergarten kids, guys. Some teachers is required and to keep your hands, and this is the what you need to write A and B, right? So you're mature enough and you understand how the things are working on it. Clear? Okay. Now the next part, why we required SQL. Let's talk about select entire database. Let's see, how do I convert this data sets to CSV? Very simple. We need to work the model building on data science software called Anaconda, Jupyter, Spider, all those things, right? And Azure ML, we will deploy the models. So in this case, I hope you click this one, just click over here. Is it select entire data set? Entire data set is selected or not? Yes or not, guys? Now what I'm gonna do, just right click, then go to export data. Let's do it. And it asking me which file you wanted to save. Do you want it to save on CSV or DB unit or HTML or JSON or Markdown? So everything's like HTML, JSON is an unstructured file, isn't it? So this is called unstructured data. So at this moment, I just want to save the file as a .csv. So did you see it's clearly given an indicator, export to CSV file. Clear, guys? So now let's click it and then go to the next. See this left options. Everything is taken up green. Yeah. And then I'm going to go ahead to the next part. No need to select anything because system is fetch size is 10,000. No need to select any information from this box and click on to the next. And it asking connections default. Let's keep it the same, and inline and binary values encoding and file extension CSV delimiter is comma, row defaults and code characters doubles, whatever it's given by your system. No need to do anything, guys. Clear? Now go to the next and output. It asking me, where do you want to save your file? So just I wanted to make, click here, or you want to make some specific folder. At this moment, I just wanted to save the file in my desktop. All right. I just wanted to save the file in my desktop. I don't have any folders. Just select folder. It's done. Timestamps UTF-8 because we have a lot of file conversions, guys. This is encoding characteristics not required. So UTF-8 would be the by default. Yes, guys. Timestamp patterns, year, month, date, hour, time. Did you see, guys, this timestamp patterns? Yes. So this is what? This is by default timestamp patterns. And then next part would be proceed. Next again. See, guys, it giving you source container test.db source file. This is the querying. This is the target. Target is dataset.csv. Now let's go ahead and let's click on proceed. Did you see here the dbear notifications transfer data? Data export task completed in just 1.43 seconds. Understand or not? Yes, everybody's done this. Online team, I hope you understand how to export the data. So what we done, we extract the data from the database to your working system, Now let's do this. Let's minimize. This is what the data set I saved, right? Now let's click create coupon data set. This is a raw data or clean data? Okay, let's see this. It's not raw, it's raw. Yes, Washim. See this, guys, over here. Yeah, cool. So how do I say raw data? Why I say raw data? Why I didn't say clean data? Anybody? Yes, Sumit, why? Okay, so, but still the data is cleaned. Did you see? Gender is male and female, 1 day, 2 day. Yes or not? But let's see, if you see this, let's see these attributes. Income, guys, are you with me or not? So let's say income, the range varies between 37,000 to 49,000. It's not make sense. I have to split this data one column into how many columns? Two columns, right? And let's see, do we have missing values or not? Car, isn't it? See, how do you import this missing value? See, if you see this, scooter and motorcycle, yes, your visualizations cannot do on this type of binary part informations. So you need to split this data, guys. You need to split this data. Are you understand or not? Age also estimations. Let's see. That's what I called as a. Now, what about this one, guys? This part. Restaurant. What is meant by 4 tilt 8? Yes, is that rating or something else? Being a first step, being a full stack data scientist, you extract the data, understand attribute. For next 1 week, 2 week, just engage with your business managers, keep poking him, bang him with a lot of questions. Do not start working for a coding the moment when you join our organizations. Understand or not, guys, everyone? First, try to understand what is the root cause, what they want, what these attributes, so that you can encounter all the time. You need to ask the questions, why I need to do this. All right, guys, clear? Everybody? Now let's see, this is a unstructured data, not a, even the raw data, I have to clean it. So maybe there is another scenario. If I don't, this attribute is not required. So it's better I need to eliminate it, right? Because student's roll number cannot decide student pass the exam or fail the exam. Can we keep the student's roll number, guys, in the data sets? No. If yes, the overfitting problem comes up. I'll talk about what is overfitting later part. All right, guys. So all those things we understand. That's what we call the raw data. Now let's save this one. Just one moment. I already saved it, it seems. Don't save. So let's open the Jupyter. Now let's try to import in Jupyter file. You may ask a questions. So can I make connections to database to Jupyter? Can we do it? Yeah. One second. Thank you. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Okay. Now, are you listen to me? Just one moment. Let me share the screen. Okay, sorry. Thanks, guys. All right. Yeah. Let's start now. So can you hear me, everyone? Can you hear me? Okay. Yeah. Are you see the screen or not yet? Okay. So let's start. Let's start. So I hope what we done. So in this one, I export the data. I import the data from the database. And the next part is import pandas as PD. Let's run it. Let's run it. All right. And let me create a df data frame equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And where is the file name, guys? Where do I save the file? Desktop. Yeah. Just let's one moment. So how do I go to the desktop? Don't go to the desktop here. You never get it. So just click back to here. Let's copy this. And I'm going to add here. So this part, what is the file name? Coupon datasets. Copy and .csv columns read only and then done. Understand? Now let's df. Guys, are you get it or not? Are you guys get it or not? Everyone online team? I think someone asked me. I hope how do you import data from this one? Correct or not? Now I wanted to ask. See, let's see. You can do your analysis like df dot length df. You try to check understanding, and you can see df dot columns. Yeah, many things you can do. Df dot head. Yeah, let's see this top 5 rows and df dot info. Let's see how many values are missing. Yes, guys. So there are a lot of missing values. Yes, online team, are you understand or not? The df dot describe. So you can see a lot of informations like this, guys. Understand or not? So please try this one. Okay. And if you have time, so better you can try working for data cleansing. You take this data only and convert the raw data to clean data and you show to me. And which is not required, you can remove those attributes. It's better You don't want to impute this missing value right now because it's not a properly designed for a business use case. This is just to explain how you extract the data from the database and you can import in the Jupyter file. Are you understand, guys? Team, everybody's clear or not? Online team? Okay. So please work on this one, guys. So this is the important thing. Now, do you remember, guys, in Python Professionals book, I gave this book, right, to you. Total, we have 856 pages. I have one idea, so let's discuss. Maybe it's agree or not, you guys decide. So how many pages I have this book contains? 856 pages something, not this one. Online team, are you with me? 856 pages, right? So how many, if I tell you to complete this book, how many days it will take? Maybe you can't complete. Isn't it? Agree or not? No one will complete this book, or Satyajit will complete in 10 days. Yes. So no, guys, we cannot complete. We required some more time. So what we need to do, how many students we have at this moment? Let's understand. 70 students. Okay. Let's do a teamwork. Okay. And figure out how many of them with and how many of them without. Let's decide upon you. Now 856 divided by, let's talk about 850 divided by, at least I talk about 60 student. How many, guys? Anyone tell me 850 by 60? 2.5? No, that's wrong. Just 14. Wait, let's check. 3.1. No, 850 divided by 60. 12. Okay, 14. Now let's talk about 850 divided by 70 student. No, I'll give 1 month of time. I'll give 1 month time. I need a volunteer. Every student have to complete 12 pages. Only 12 pages. Can we do it? If it's time, so you can do it. If not, that's your wish, guys. Is this possible, guys? Can you do it, anyone? So that what happened? Let's say Kirtana complete 12 pages. Okay. Now she can inform whatever she done, she can post in the Google Classroom. This is what the summary of the 12 pages. Now, because of Kirtana, rest 80 people will learn this. Understand or not? Now, let's say other one, anyone can, Ajad can complete 12 pages. He can post his understanding and he can understand. So rest of them can understand. Can we do it, guys? So this thing will done in 1 month. Because what I come to mind, so I had discussed with the guy who got an offer today. I asked, how was your preparations? So he clearly told me, sir, machine learning part, AI part, I closed. Mid-level Python, I was done. So what happened if they ask for a little bit expert? So I think, guys, no training institutes will teach you 856 pages, guys. Yes or not? Correct or not, guys? They will give you 30 days and they will complete the codes and they'll let you go. But the first thing is, if we create a team, definitely we win the match. Agree or not agree, guys? So now, today, you take this book. Let me tell you, online team, today, you go through the book, take 12 pages, which number to which number. Let's see. Let's discuss about this one. So let's say, I'll say that, I don't know a lot of people's name, but say Azad. And he will say that, sir, I will take 60 to 72 pages, right? Note it down. And then Sumit, let's say she will talk about, 80 pages to 92. And some of them X or maybe Wasim will say, sir, I'll make 700 pages to 750, 712. Is this works out or not, guys? Can we do it? See, it's your choice, guys. If you want to do, I'm ready to help you. If you're not, that's okay, your choice. What do you suggest? What do you think, guys? Online said everybody is agree with. Arshad said good idea. What about offline team? No, sir, who will do 800 pages? I want to go KGF 2 movie. So it's not work out. Okay, guys, this is what I plan. If you have time, just post your message and then I will consider this passed. Okay. Yes, guys. Can we do it or not, guys? Okay. So let's see the next part. I wanted to introduce to statistics today. Okay. I wanted to introduce to statistics today, guys. Okay. See, for me, I gave you a good plan, but execution is, we can create an excellent everyone update the page counts. Sinduri, good idea. Why not you create a page counts? Can you do it? Sinduri, can you do it? Work distributions by Excel sheets. Perfect. Trust me, guys. This idea will wins. You never know the results right now. Sure, you're going to get the results at the end of the sessions. We know, am I clear or not? Are you agree or not with me? Yeah. So he's architectures, guys. He had quite good amount of experience. He's expert in SQL and database. Okay. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's statistics. I don't talk much about statistics, just introduce. So let me go back to the project list and I will show you guys once these guys are get an offer. I will show you. Okay. So what package? Freshers, 7 years career gap, 8 lakhs package. Not bad, isn't it? Not bad, guys. All right. So just one moment. Just 1 second. Oops, my bad. Okay. So see, guys, I just already added in statistics. Let's introduce the first part. Let's introduce part. See, when someone asks you what is meant by statistics, you guys are talk about mean, median, mode, right? That's not the statistics. That's the statistics for data science and business analysis. Before I talk about, I just wanted to explain stats one. What exactly mean by populations and sample? Yeah, let's talk about this one first. See this? What is meant by populations? Large group of people is called populations. Understand? And in terms, we denotes as capital N. What exactly we denotes, guys? Capital N. So let me tell you, from today onwards, all the formula sheets you need to create. So from today onwards, now real work starts. So far you understand, guys, little bit Python, but I'm sure from today onwards no one knows what exactly going on. So in the starts from today, all formulas, maths is going to implement in the backend, and we talk about what is APIs, what is starts model API. Okay, all those things we will discuss, right? So let's, when the times comes up, I'll speak up. Yeah. So the populations is large group of people is called populations. What is meant by sample? When I randomly pick some of individuals, that's we called a sample. If you notice this arrow marks, from the populations we called as sampling. What we called? Sampling. From sample to populations we called as inferences. Clear? So I don't talk this all the theoretically part. So the main concepts I'm just talking to you. Let's say this. The first one, populations refers collections of all elements and sample refers to the subgroup of the populations. Now, very important sessions is characteristics. Populations we called as a parameters. What we called? Parameters. Sample we called as statistics. Let me tell you very important thing. So what we are learning, guys? What we are learning? Statistics. When statistics I'm talking, this refers to sample or populations. Whatever the data set I am generating from the database, let me tell you guys, listen to me again. Whatever the data set I am going to generate from the database, would that be a populations or would that be a sample? Online team, would that be a populations or would that be a sample? Sample. So in sample, we will use only sample formula. For example, let's say y equals to mx plus c plus epsilon. Epsilon looks like e, guys. That's okay. This is epsilon. This is populations formula. Understand? Now y equals to mx plus c. This is called sample formula. Are you understand, guys? So now in the data set, which formula we will implement? This part we're going to implement, guys, not this one. So far, are you understand or not, guys? So populations we called as characteristics, and sample we called as statistics, isn't it? For populations we denotes as capital N, but for sample we denotes as, anybody knows? Small n? No. S. Very good. What we denote as? S. So this is very simple, populations and sample. Okay, I think so. This is all just a theoretical part, not required. Which is important, we need to talk about those things, guys. Now let's see. Fundamental of descriptive statistics. What exactly this? Before I'm going to start the fundamental descriptive statistics, I will share all these documents, but at this moment, just understand when we build the model to the data, right? So did you see this, guys? Types of data. Okay. What are the types of data we have? One is categorical data. One is numerical data. Understand or not? Did you see this? This is a categorical data. This is numerical data. Okay, two types. Yeah. So car brands like Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and answer to the questions yes, no. Is it classifications or not? Classifications gives you categorical value. Regressions gives you numerical value. So let me tell you. Let me write down here. So classifications gives categorical value. Means what, guys? Yes, no, yes or no. Can I convert yes to 1 and no to 0? Can we do this? Yes or not? This is a binary or not? Binary class classifications. Now regressions gives numerical value. So this is called, does it gives categorical part? It gives only integer value. Means petrol price predictions, weather forecastings, right? Gold price predictions, all those things. Understand? And slowly, I will bring you into the deep dive into the machine learning journey. And I'll show you how stats is required to learn ML and why this is very important. We will going to, you guys understand one by one. Okay. And I'm going to take one hot encoding. Yes, you can do this, but not in this case, Avinav. See, those concepts, whatever you learn, that's different story. For this one, it is different. Yeah, it's, you can talk like that. Now let's see this part. Categorical data, I hope you understand. So how to visualize this categorical data? Let's see. Just one sec. Okay. Okay. See this? Close. I have small data set I have here. Let me introduce a little bit technical term. See, there is a Audi. Understand, some German car shops are there. Okay. Audi car, 124 cars sold. All right. BMW, 98 cars sold. And Mercedes, 113 cars sold. Sold means in statistics we called as frequency. Understand what exactly mean by frequency? The number of. So this is a categorical variable or not? Now, how do I visualize to the business people? By some of the graphs, isn't it? Yes or not, guys? So what are the graph? The best way to visualize the categorical variable is called bar chart. Let's see this. Okay, this is a bar chart. Now this bar chart I plot in Excel. I wanted to give you offline team, the one who got the laptop. Can you same chart visualize in Python? Can you do it right now? Right now, guys, can you do it? Let's see how we'll do that. Or you will do it later. See, every time you will say you do it later, then that's okay. I will run it and I'll complete it. That's your choice. Okay, that's okay, guys. Maybe you will do it later. All right, still okay. That's okay. But okay, that's fine. So we will, you guys are complete and upload me in the classroom. How do you done? I need to share the, I need to see the code. How do you plot it? Do not need anybody's requirement. You just go and check how to plot. I plot this in Excel part. Very simple coding. You know the dictionaries, right? What is meant by dictionaries? Keys and values. So do you think Audi is key and frequency is values? That is one way to do the graph. Other way, export, create a data set, matplotlibs, pandas, and use dot bar graph. Okay, matplotlib dot bar graph. Can you do it this one? Yeah. So this is important. Now, you know this, what is meant by frequency, guys? The frequency is number of car has sold in a given day. Yeah. The next one, how to calculate relative frequency? How to calculate relative frequency? To calculate relative, what exactly? Most of the business, you guys are see this type of graph, isn't it? What we call that? Pie chart. What exactly this graph indicates, guys? It gives you what is the market share for this individual product. So by look at this, how to calculate this 37 percentages? 124 divided by 335. Check this out, you get 37, right? So this part 124 divided by 335, you got 37, right? And 98 by 335, you got 29 percentages. 113 divided by 335, you got 34 percentages. Yes. When I combine all those things, I got 100%, isn't it? I hope you get it, guys. Yeah. So this is called pie chart. So this one also you have to plot in Python, and let's, why I'm saying, guys, it gives you a little bit confidence on your coding skills, because you don't no need to ask anyone. Just go to the Google and type pie chart codes. You correlate with your attributes and put over there, and you can get your output. Okay. Will we do it or not, guys? Yeah. So this one and update in the classroom. Let me review. Okay. All right. This is, we understand from the categorical variable how to calculate frequency, how to calculate relative frequency, and the next one is called cumulative frequency. So far, you know how to plot two dimensions, x-axis and y-axis, right? But how do we plot two y-axis? How do we plot two y-axis? That's we called Pareto diagram. What we called? That we could call Pareto diagram. So let's see this, how to get this cumulative frequencies. Guys, this would be very helpful for your analysis part. Most of the time on your data sets, you need to check it out, the frequency distributions. table. All right. So that's why I just talk about these things. Yeah. So what we learning, categorical data or numerical data? Categorical data. Satyajit, you're not listening. Okay. So this is categorical data. All right. This is categorical data, guys. Understand? So how to calculate this one? 37 plus 29, 66. 66 plus 3400 percentages. If you see this, how to visualize this plot? Not required to plot this one. Okay. So you might be stuck up. So not required this one. All right, guys. This is called categorical part. This is called categorical part, guys. Right. So how to visualize? So relative frequency, cumulative frequency, the best way to visualize the categorical data in the data set is called sum of the plots. The bar chart, Pareto diagram is one of the plotting techniques. Understand, guys? Yeah. So if I speak much, I do see you guys are feel sleepy. All right. So that's okay. We'll talk tomorrow and rest of things we continue. Okay. Statistics is started. So let me allow, if time allows, I'll introduce to the SQL as well from other softwares. SSMS. Do you know, guys, how to download SSMS? SQL Server Management Studio. Yeah. So if no, I will tell you, and slowly we'll cover SQL as well. So at least you could understand the basic part. Clear, everyone? Please intro SQL. Come on, buddy. Yesterday we done this, right? Yesterday we done this. Okay. So SQL is not in part of course. Do you know that? Do you know, guys, SQL not into the part of the code? SQL, Excel, advanced Excels, pivots, and VLOOKUPs. But you need to know. That's okay. I will spend time with you guys. I will, if I sometimes allow, I'll explain you. No need to worry. Okay. But little bit. Yes, Pawan. I understand. I will tell you guys. No need to worry. Yeah. Any questions, online team? Any questions? So also just wait a second. Just wait for a second. Guys, don't scold me. I'm giving you more projects to you. That's my responsibility. You work or not work, that's your job. That's okay. So morning batch, 10 project list. I added 3 projects, more projects to you. And for statistics for next 1 week, there is no more work. Only one thing I'll give you for statistics. All right. Let's see this, guys. This is work in progress. I think extract, we done this part, right? This is completed. Okay. This one you are doing, maybe I said you required quite more times, like more than 30 days and your wish. Sumit, good job. Thank you. So rest of them, please work on it, guys. All right. And please post your information so that I come to know that where you are. So there is a claps cannot be made using one hands, guys. So it made with 2 hands. Understand? So when you show me what's your effort, so I could be more happy and we can understand. Yeah. So let's see this Matplotlib EDA Seaborn Pandas. No need to go somewhere. If your friends told you, hey man, download this book and study, don't do this. Just one link, good enough to complete this one. Oops, Control Z. Okay. Let's copy this one. I will share this, Chandrahas. Just one moment. So everyone also check this one. You try to, work on it. All right. You try to work on it. See this Matplotlib. Very nice tutorials, guys. Matplotlib tutorials for beginners. Excellent one. Okay. So my lot of students that done this and they come to me. They said, very nice, sir. Thank you. So see this overview Python, Matplotlib, object hierarchy, interfaces, PyPlot API. Okay. Figures, subplots, all those things, guys. Okay. See this one. But no one will ask you in interview. Do you know this, guys? No one will ask you in interview. Correct or not? When you play cricket, everybody will see, are you guys 6 or 4s? But you nobody know how much practice you're doing in the background. So these are the practices, guys. Right? So please, how do you do this? Very simple one along with all the explanations. This is visualizations. Please follow this one. Do not share these links to anyone. Okay. So Sibon, see this, my students also get a job offer. I want you to be on the same place and share your offer letters on my WhatsApp and I'll communicate to other students. Clear? Okay, so let's save this one. And okay, what else you want today? Did I share all the files? Yeah, that's it. Let's close it. Project list. Okay, now this one. 20th I shared. That's it, guys. If I share two things, then it's up to date. Notes are up to date. Okay. And yes. So let's go back and where is your files? Bookmarks, Terem. Okay, so hi team. Please find today's class notes. Regards. Okay, Chandrahas, I sent. Okay. Yeah. Okay, team, that's it for today. All right, and we catch up tomorrow. Okay, so online team, just wait. Any questions we will discuss? Offline team, yeah. There's no sessions later as well. Yeah, updated, guys. Okay, guys, any questions? Are you stuck with your DB? Are you downloaded? It's working for you? You checked yesterday? You, I'm talking about you. No, you didn't try? Try today, okay? Yeah. You done? Excuse me, you got output? What was issue? Some alignments, right? Okay, good, yeah. Okay, bye guys, see you tomorrow, okay? Yeah. Satyajit, which one you doing, buddy? Which one you doing? Which one you're working? Yeah. It's done. Your output is done. Okay. Don't do any theory. Just directly hit into the practical. There's no more. Oh, okay. You got the recordings, right? Recordings. Yeah. You don't take it. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, you can do it. But the problem is you cannot clean it. You cannot build the model. See, you have 10 attributes. So when you have 10 or 100 attributes, so in that attributes, what happened? Some of missing values are there. So how do you clean it? How do you build the model? You got it right? How do you build the model? How to visualize the data? Huh. But still, again, we have to use because you have to create a dummy variable trap. Dummy variable. Machines cannot understand categorical part. Got it right? So you don't. So I have summer, rainy, winter in the database I have. I export it. But still, I think you can do it in the Jupyter. there is some issues. It's never happened in the database. You cannot live automate the process. You cannot automate the process on that case. Yeah. Yeah, you have to do it, right? In the office also we need to do it. Yeah. Yeah. So we need to import, I mean, clean all this file, or else you cannot build the model part, those things. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Thanks.